Oh my God, did you hear my stomach? Good thing this is only a 30-minute recipe. Hey everybody, it's Kevin from Kevin is Cooking. Thanks for showing up. And whether in this kitchen or out on my grill, you're going to find seasonal recipes inspired by my international pantry. Today I'm sharing with you my honey balsamic baked chicken. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you liked the video and you give this baked honey balsamic chicken a try. Don't forget, life's too short to be bland. I'll see you next time.